Welcome to today's home update. I'm Amanda. The new year has brought with it several important regulatory changes for the mortgage industry. The Association of Mortgage Professionals outlines some of the new regulations borrowers will need to be aware of. First, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau's ability to repay mandate, which is designed to ensure that every borrower is a qualified borrower, means that lenders will now follow a set of guidelines to establish a consumer's income, assets, and obligations before deeming them eligible. Borrowers should also be aware of the decrease in FHA loan limit. FHA mortgages will now be limited to $625,000, down from $729,750. Homebuyers looking to obtain a larger loan will have to apply for a jumbo loan, which most likely means a higher down payment. You should also know that points and fees on qualified mortgages can no longer exceed 3%, thanks to the new caps on loan origination fees. Finally, if you're self-employed, expect tighter regulations. As the qualified mortgage rules take effect, those without a W-2 will face difficulty when applying for loans. The self-employed will have a tougher time proving their debt-to-income ratio without proper documentation, even if they have a high net worth and perfect credit. Thanks for watching today's home update. See you next time.